Andarku namaskara. Friends, it's wonderful to see you all in Karim Nagar. I'm very sorry I'm not able to speak in Telugu. It's a very wonderful language. Trying my best to learn. I'll be talking in English. And if there is a translation needed, I request you to kindly inform us so that somebody can translate. Friends, I'm extremely delighted. We have come to Karim Nagar today to canvass, to seek votes on behalf of a wonderful political leader, Bandi Sanjay Garu. We all know there is a definition of leadership, how a leader should be. A leader should be from the ground. He should reflect the people's aspiration. And leaders should be ready to sweat it out, even to give their blood for a larger cause. If you are looking at the history of India, many leaders are created by fighters on the ground. They are big fighters on the ground. If you look at Telangana politics for the last couple of years, Telangana has given not only a leader from Karim Nagar, it has given a leader for South India, it is Bandi Sanjay Garu. Fighter. If we can say one person in Telangana who was able to bring the BRS government down, it is Bandi Anna. As a single person who fought and fought. Every single day he fought. In fact, Tamil Nadu, our yatra, Yen Man Yen Makal yatra was designed based on Bandi Anna's yatra. Our team here, I came twice to Anna's yatra. Our team came to Telangana. They studied the yatra's model. Then our yatra, Yen Man Yen Makal, was designed in Tamil Nadu. Such a great yatra which happened in Telangana. I never seen any political leader getting arrested. Every single day he is getting arrested for one or the other reason. Not allowing him to do yatra. He was the person who broke open the question paper leak scam. He was arrested. He was the person who questioned BRS government on corruption. He was arrested. I think he was arrested 4 or 5 times. He fought for you all. He was the voice of Telangana for a long time. Now the only problem is the current Congress government is much worse than BRS government. In Tamil we say, pay vendam endu sonnom bhoodam vandu vittathu. In English the translation is, we did not want a devil, but instead a Buddha came. So we did not want a BRS. It is a government Congress which is much worse than BRS, which is in power now.